Despite the slowing world economy, the OBR expects Britain to continue to grow in every year of the forecast, at 1.2% this year, with both the IMF and the OECD forecasting the UK to grow faster than Germany. Then 1.4% in 2020, as forecast at the budget, and 1.6% in each of the final 3 years. Cumulative growth over the 5 years now slightly higher than the budget forecast. Meanwhile, Britain's remarkable job story is set to continue. By 2023, the OBR expect to see 600,000 more new jobs in our economy. And despite the constant attempts from the opposition front bench to talk down our remarkable achievement on jobs, the fact, Mr. Speaker, is this. Last year, 96% of new jobs were full-time. And there's positive news on pay too, with the OBR revising up wage growth to 3% or higher in every year. And with inflation now around the target throughout the forecast period, that means real wage growth in every year of the forecast. A growing economy, a thriving labour market, inflation on target, Mr. Speaker, a solid foundation on which to build Britain's future. But, Mr. Speaker, the progress we have made will be at risk if we cannot secure a smooth and orderly exit from the EU and a transition to a new partnership that protects the complex trading relationships businesses have built up over 45 years and on which so many British jobs depend. I hoped we would do that last night, but I'm confident that we, as a House, will do it over the coming weeks. Leaving with no deal would mean significant disruption in the short and medium term, and a smaller, less prosperous economy in the long term than if we leave with a deal. Higher unemployment, lower wages, higher prices in the shops. That is not what the British people voted for in June 2016, which is why all of us have a solemn duty in the days and weeks ahead to put aside our differences and seek a compromise on which this House can agree in the national interest.